This is Principles of Soil Science, Chapter 2, Soil Formation and its Factors. So this will be tagged as Lesson 2 for we are done with Lesson 1 already. By the way, I am Leo Jude Villasica, your instructor. And also I hope you have your notes with you as we go along with this discussion, since most of this presentation will be less of the text and more of me explaining the interaction between the factors and also the processes involved. Okay, so before we proceed to discussing about soil forming factors and processes, let us first define soil formation and soil development, because these two terms will be used interchangeably within this course. Okay, so when we say soil formation, it is the formation of the soil with respect to the processes or soil forming factors that is responsible for the development of the soil. So when we say soil development, it is the changes that is happening in the soil due to these processes. Okay? As simple as that. Okay, so for the processes of soil formation, we have four: addition, losses, transformation, and translocation. And to best explain or illustrate the effects of these processes, I have here a soil profile. So this is the end product of these processes. So the reason why you observe different coloration or different layering is because of the action of this addition, losses, transformation, and translocation processes within the soil. Factors of soil formation, we have climate, organisms, parent material, relief for topography, and time. So, among the five factors, the most active factors is climate and organism. So, this is due to the fact that most of the soil characteristics is being controlled by climatic patterns and also vegetation patterns. So, the soil variability across areas can be correlated with climatic patterns and also vegetation patterns. The three remaining factors is more of a conditioning factors, particularly on the age or the speed of soil formation. For example, for parent material, if your parent material originated from easily weatherable materials, uh, the your soil can form faster in a shorter period of time because your material is highly weatherable or easily weatherable. However, in contrast, if your topography or if your um, soil is located on slopey areas, even if it is highly weatherable, but since there's also a high chance of erosion, your soil cannot form as much profile compared to those in flatlands. So all of these processes is conditioned by time, and without time, all of these processes cannot proceed. Okay, so I hope you understand the topics that we tackled in this chapter. So to summarize, we have tackled the processes of soil formation. We have four processes of soil formation: addition, losses, transformation, and translocation. And they are the one that shapes uh, the development of our soil. And then the next one, we have the factors. We have five factors of soil formation. We have climate, organisms, parent material, relief for topography, and time. So they are the ones that drives the processes of soil formation. Okay, so review this video if you have difficulty in understanding the topic, and also you can read further based on our notes. And see you in the next lesson.